everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I just wanted to share with you what was in the contents of this grab bag. It was amazing. So I was at Craft Warehouse doing a little bit of shopping, and they have this clearance area where they have a bunch of stuff they're trying to get rid of, and in it was one single grab bag, and it was 10 bucks, and I could not resist because I looked at it and I was like, it had some stuff in there that looked kind of familiar. So I separated it into all the pieces that I could and kind of figured out what was going on here. And then I thought I'd show you, and then I'll come back at another time and I will show you what I made with it, because I'm going to challenge myself to kind of use this up. So first of all, they had these strips of kind of these papers. I have no idea which collection it is. I'm assuming it's probably Simple Stories. But all of these strips of paper that I thought was interesting. They were the only ones of this particular collection in here, but I got these strips and they're about 2.5 inches in diameter, or in width. Looks like 12 inches long. So I have like all these strips. I'm not sure what I'll do with them, but you know, hey, it's a challenge, right? I also got 6 card blanks, and these will come in handy when I show you the next bit. So then this is a collection by Cartabella, and this is called Be Mine. It was from last year. I actually used this in one of my design team packages, so I recognized it right off the bat. And in it, they had all of these die cuts. So they use these for displays, and all of these die cut hearts were in this package. So there's like a ton of them that I got, and some of them are solid, and like some of them are, you know, the outer edges. And then I got a bunch of like pieces, and I got the cut aparts, and I got the leftovers from the pieces that they cut the hearts out of, and I got lots of paper. I mean, like, look at how much I got. It was crazy. So I'm going to be able to do something pretty substantial with all of this right here. I mean, I got lots of bits. It looks like they were showing off how maybe to use a decal trimmer, I think, because the edges are quite crooked. But yeah, I got a lot of stuff. So I'm going to be able to make a really kind of cool project with this. There's a lot of papers with that. So I got that big chunk there. And then for whatever reason, and I don't know where these came from, maybe a card class or whatever, but I got a lot of strips of different sizes of cardstock in different colors. Not really sure what I will do with all of this, but some of these are pretty big, so they could be card fronts. You never know. And then I got like all these little bits here, and the first thing I thought was maybe I'll get out my flower punches and I'll make some flower punches. And then, you know, maybe make some flowers. Just little squares of cardstock. So yeah, I'll see what I can do with all of that. And then as I was going through, I was kind of separating everything out. I got like card kits. So Simple Stories has been putting out card kits. I honestly have no idea which one this comes from because there is no sheet for it. But I got most of the chipboard pieces here, and I received most of those. Here's a bit that actually goes into, I think, this one right here. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy, but I got most of that. I got most of this. This piece went here. So this card kit right here, I mean, I can make all kinds of stuff with this. I've got all the ephemera here for that. So again, I don't know which one that came from. I honestly have no idea. I did get another, well, I got 3 more card kit pieces that was just interesting. I think all of this goes to this one, the Pink Lemonade kit, and this one did come with instructions, so that's kind of cool. Again, most of the chipboard pieces, and then here's, I mean, most of the die cuts, most of this, it looks like. And then these bits here. So I got all of these. So I have a lot to play with, and I think I can make the cards that were on, or at least some of the cards that were on this particular sheet if I wanted to. So that was like the second card kit that I got. And then I got this card kit. Let's talk about this one. I think this one is the Say Cheese Classic Pooh Baby card kit. And again, oh, look at this. Take note. there is the instructions for the one I just showed you, the first one. I didn't even see that under this one. So yay me. So there's that. Take note. This one is the Say Cheese Classic Pooh Baby. And in here, again, most of the chipboard, most of the little cut apart pieces. I mean, look at this. I got a lot of stuff here. So I have lots of things that I can play with. So I can make the cards as is. I can do my own. I can incorporate them into an album. I guess I could do all kinds of stuff with that. So that is that kit. And then last but not least, and this is actually, when I saw this, I flipped out because I went in there. One of the things I went in there for was this. I really wanted this paper collection. And so I went in to pick this up and I saw the same thing in this grab bag. So I snapped it up. So this is the Simple Vintage Lavender Fields collection. Here is the instruction sheet. Pretty cool. And then I got, you know, again, most of the bits. So I am super excited about this. I thought this was a fun grab bag, and they don't normally have them, so I was pretty excited about that. Looks like someone took that part. There's the chipboard, and here's that piece right here. So yeah, I'm super happy with what I did. So I just thought I would show you this because I just thought it was pretty cool that I got all of these, you know, kind of leftovers, but I can still make a ton, I mean a literal ton of cards. And it's going to work out great. So I got that. I got the chipboard. I don't know what I was trying to say. I'm all Twitter pated now. I got all these, you know, pieces for the Be Mine collection. I got cards, and I got these random strips that I could probably do something with. So, you know, I've got all these things. So I will come back and I will show you what I made with these. I'm going to kind of do this as maybe a challenge. I'm not sure, you know, what's going to come out of this, but that's going to be kind of fun. So I thought you guys might like to see it. So check back with my channel and I'll show you what I made. All right. So take care, stay crafty, and I will be back again another day. And don't forget, if you're in the craft store and you see grab bags, check them out. Sometimes they're really cool. I think I made out like a bandit on this one. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.